What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Follow along in today's step-by-step lesson as we learn to draw the Ghast from the Minecraft movie. For today's lesson we'll need a sheet of plain white paper and something to draw with. I'm using this Sharpie fine tip marker. It's great for building confident outlines in bold shapes. Now if you don't have one, any permanent marker or pencil will do. Now we want to start our drawing in the center of the page and draw a large square for the head with rounded corners. Let's start along the top. From the left side we draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right to right about there. Now let's round out the ends. Come around and then down along the side. Let's come straight down with that same length line to right about there. Do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. Now I'm going to round out the bottom corners. Go across towards the right. I'm just going to round this out. Now I want to turn this square into a perspective cube. So let's start from the very top. I'm going to angle this down towards the back side. Go to the bottom, angle this up. Now I just want to round out the top, come straight down towards the bottom, and just round out the bottom end. Now that we have our cube in place, let's move to the inside and draw the eyes. We're going to start with the brow, leaving a gap in the center. Let's go to the left. We're going to bend this in and then up, and line it up on the right side. Let's draw the top edge of the eyes, going up and then out. Let's draw the outside edge of the eyes. We're going to step in, bend this out, and then down along the side. And then curve the bottom edge of the eyes. We're going to go up and then down toward that inside point. Now we're going to move to the center and open up the mouth. We're going to start right in the middle, bend this out towards the left, and then down towards the bottom. Go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right. Now I want to round out the corner of the mouth, bend this up in the middle, and then down towards the right. Let's add a fold across the bottom corners of the mouth. Starting from the bottom of the head, we're going to bend this out and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go back up to the top and enhance the brow. We're going to start on the outside, we're going to bend this up and then back down on the inside. Now we're going to add those drips coming down from the eyes. Let's start on the left. From the corner, going down, and bend that up. Now it's going to work our way across towards the inside of the eye. We want to vary the length. Coming down lower in the middle. Just add a couple more, and just pull that up towards the top of the eye. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the outside, coming down and up. Again, coming down lower in the middle. And then just working our way in. I'm going to add one more wrinkle on the inside of the eye with a small curve. Now I'm going to show you a simple method on how to draw chains. We're going to start from the bottom right corner. Let's start up here. We're going to draw an oval, stretching this out. And we're going to draw another oval, just angling this up towards the edge of the head. Now in between each of the ovals, we're going to draw a circle tucked in behind. So we'll start with the top, and then just work our way across. And then up to the edge of the head, and then around the bottom. Now you're going to do the same thing across the bottom, starting in the center of the oval, draw the bottom half of that circle. Now I'm going to come up along the side of the head. Let's start with another oval going out, and then we're going to straighten these out, going up towards the top. Now in between, we're going to add that circle, start from the inside, going in between those ovals. We're just going to come all the way down towards the bottom. Now let's do the same thing on the outside, on the right of that oval. Now I'm also going to close off the top. Let's angle the chain coming down towards the bottom right. So start with that oval in the middle, and we'll add those circles in between. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on that center leg. We're going to start with a gap in the middle. Let's start over on the left. We're going to bend this down and across towards the bottom. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. Coming down and then across. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Now we draw the outside edge. From here, bend this out and up, and it'll follow the same curve going up underneath the head. Let's draw 2 more legs on either side. So we'll start with the one on the left, stepping over. This leg is going to be a little bit shorter. Step over and draw that again. And we'll close off the bottom. Come up toward the back. I'm just going to see the back side just coming in, tucking that in behind. Now I want to draw that same shaped leg over on the right. So we'll start up here, coming down, and cross towards the same height. Draw the outside, and then we'll round this out. Go up towards the back, and pull this up underneath. Let's draw another leg along the back side. So we're going to start with that center seam first, coming down and out, round up the bottom, and follow that curve going back up towards the top, go to the back, and then pull that up. Now you want to draw that same length leg in between these 2 front legs. We're going to start right here with a curve. Now we're going to go all the way back over towards the bottom left side of the head and draw a chain coming down. So we're going to start with those ovals. I'm just going to line these up, coming all the way down towards the bottom. I'm just going to stop right about there. Let's go back up to the top and draw the circles in between on the left and right side. Finish this off with a full circle along the bottom. Now let's go up to the top, tuck this up underneath the head. Now I'm going to add 1 more chain over on the right side coming straight down. So let's start up here, again starting with those ovals. And we'll add those circles in between. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and there we have it. There's our drawing of the Ghast from the Minecraft movie. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.